welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link your static website with Jenkins. First of all, by linking your static website with Jenkins enables you to auto deploy. So you need not to deploy every time you change something in your repository. It is very useful. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to upload your files in the S3 bucket. I'll make it clear, it is only for static websites only. So first you go to S3. Okay, here you have to create a bucket. Name your bucket as you want, so it has no any issues. I'm naming it my bucket for static. Okay, here unblock it, tick this and create bucket. Okay, I'm getting error. Okay, this is telling it has already taken by someone. So okay, yeah, it has created successfully. And here you have to upload your files. Okay, clicking add files. So I have already this. So I simply upload this. Okay, close it. Now go to permissions. Here for static website hosting, you have to give a bucket policy. So I'm gonna give it. Okay, for here you have to give your name. So here you have to give your bucket name. So this that this one. Okay, there is gone now. Save it. Okay, now go to properties. Here you have to enable the static website hosting. Click enable. Here you have to give your file name. So name it is index.html. So leave it like that. Okay. So scroll down. So this is your website link. Okay. So yeah, this is my static website. So I'm created for it for sample only. So next we have to do some things in Jenkins. Okay, let's see that. So Jenkins default port number is 8080. So localhost 8080. This is you have to click this. Okay, for that you have to create new item. First of all, before doing this, we have to do two things. One is link your Amazon to your Jenkins. So it is very important. Also link your GitHub to the Jenkins. So after this only, this project will be successful. For linking your Jenkins to AWS, we have two things. One is your access key and your secret key. As you all know that I have previously said that how to take the access key and secret key from the AWS user. If you have any doubt means please check out my YouTube videos. Okay. So for that you have to go manage Jenkins. Scroll down. click credentials. See, I have already linked two of that. So I'm simply showing how to do it. Click global, click add credentials. Here you have to click AWS credentials. Here the ID as you want, the access key and the secret key. If you click create means it is done. Okay. Next, I show you how to link your GitHub to the Jenkins. Okay. Okay. This is my GitHub. So here, go to settings and scroll down. Click developer settings. Here, click this tokens, generate new token classic. Okay. Here you have to give your password. Okay, I'm gonna give it my password. Here the node can be anything and scroll down, click this repo and workflow. Okay, check this. And if you click generate token means it has generated, but you have to be very careful. It is only visible for one time. After that, it will not show. So if it shows at the one time means you have to copy it. Okay, then go to credentials again, click global, add credentials. Here username with password. Okay, the username is your portfolio username, I mean GitHub port username, and the password is that you have copied now. Yeah, that, and click create. That's all. So now you have successfully joined your Jenkins with AWS account and also GitHub account. Okay, now what we are gonna do is we have to create a Jenkins file. The Jenkins file is nothing but what I say, it's kind of action what to do the Jenkins. Okay, so I have already created that. I provide it in my description. You simply copy that, but you have to change two things on that. Okay, okay. Um, this this is my Jenkins file. Here you have to give your GitHub repository link, and here you have to give your S3 bucket name. Okay, and that's all. Everything else is fine. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, okay. Now I change it. After that, you have to upload this Jenkins files in both your S3 bucket and as well as your GitHub repository. It is very mandatory that the Jenkins files has no extensions. Okay, it should be like a plain text file, not any other kind of extensions. Okay, make sure it is. Okay, now I simply upload this file on the two of it. Now click add file, upload file. Okay, okay, yeah. Also here upload. I previously upload a Jenkins file, but it kind of a old file. Okay, you simply click add file and add it. Okay, yeah, that's all. Now you see all of our files are linked and all the requisites are done clearly. Now we simply make a change and push it to our GitHub repository. Okay, Make sure, friends, it's only for poll SCM, which means it's a kind of new thing. It's not like automatic deployment. You have to run it each times. Okay. If you want automatic run for each deployment means you have to go for webhook. So I'll cover webhook on my next video. Okay. Now we see how to create a Jenkins. In Jenkins, if we do each project means it is called as job. Okay. Now I create a new job. Okay. Click new item. Enter as your wish. I simply name it as job one. Click pipeline. Click OK. Okay. Now simply go scroll down here. Pipeline from SCM. Here you have to give Git. Okay. Here you have to give your GitHub repository URL, which is this. Okay. Also, you see my GitHub is in main, so I have to give here main. If your GitHub in master means you leave it. Okay. Click save. Go to dashboard. See, it has created already. If you click this play button means it executes for some times. So we have to wait for it. Yeah, it is done. Now click this. Yeah, you see green tick. If you got other than green tick means it has failed. So you have to rewatch. You may skip any steps. So make sure it has to be in the green tick. Now we have to simply make changes in our file and push it to the GitHub. Let's see what happened. Okay. Now for that, go to VS Code. Make sure, friends, in your accounts, make sure your VS Code has integrated with your GitHub repository. It is mandatory. Okay. Now go to index.html. So I change this. Yeah. Okay. I make it. And here source control. You have to initialize this repository. Okay. You see both the files has some changes. You have to click this plus button, click commit. After that, you have to give something what you have changed. So I have to give something. Okay. After that, okay, cut this. We don't want this. Okay. Now open the terminal, new terminal. Okay. Uh, give the command as like as mine. Okay. Now we have to simply push it. Okay. It says that Yeah, I forgot something. We have to give the link of our repository so that it can easily get it. So I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, guys. So I simply made a mistake. Okay, don't worry. We have to make it clear for the viewers to what repository we have to change. So because we have n number of repositories in our Git, so we have to mention it clearly. Okay, that is the problem. So we have to give like this. First, we have to remove the origin, and then we have to specify what repository. Okay, yeah, like this. Add origin, my GitHub URL. Okay, that's all. Now click this. Then we simply push it. Yeah, it says like, yeah, yeah. Uh, this happens sometimes because we simply change the all files in our repository. So it's fine. We have to simply give minus F. It's like we forcefully push it. So we don't get any kind of error. Okay. Yeah, that's all, friends. It says, okay, all done. Okay, that's all. If we visit our file, okay, go to properties, and you can see it has .git and readme. Okay, the Jenkins automatically added it. Okay, and we have to go to visit our website. Okay, here you can see nothing has changed. Okay, but if we run it and wait for a few minutes, not few minutes, a few seconds. Okay, yeah, it has run successfully. Now we simply refresh. It means, you see, welcome to Cloud Diaries. That's all, friends. For this method, you have to press the play button. I mean, run the job for each times. It may be a hectic work for some people. For that, I have planned to make a static website hosting with Jenkins file by using webhook. Okay, I'm going to post that video a little bit sooner. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned.